Noah continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. Of course, I'm making some adjustments and some commentary with all these. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, we sent forth Noah to his people, saying, give warning to your people before a woeful scourge overtakes them. He said, my people, I come to warn you plainly, serve Allah and fear him and obey me. He will forgive you your sins and give you respite for an appointed term. When Allah's time arrives, none shall put it back. Would that you understood this, Lord, said Noah. Night and day I have pleaded with my people, but my pleas have only added to their aversion. Each time I call on them to seek your pardon, they thrust their fingers in their ears and draw their cloaks over their heads, persisting in sin and burying themselves with insolent pride. I called out loud to them and appealed to them in public and in private. Seek forgiveness of your Lord. I said, he is ever ready to forgive. He sends down abundant water from the sky for you and bestows upon you wealth and children. He has provided you with gardens and with running brooks. Why do you deny the greatness of Allah when he created you in gradual stages? Can you not see how Allah created the seven heavens, one above another, placing in them the moon for a light and the sun for a lantern? Allah has brought you forth from the earth like a plant, and to the earth he will restore you. Then he will bring you back afresh. Allah has made the earth a vast expanse for you, so that you may roam its spacious paths. And Noah said, Lord, my people disobey me and follow those whose wealth and offspring will only hasten their perdition. They devised an outrageous plot and said to each other, do not renounce your gods, do not forsake Wad or Suwa or Yanguth or Ya'uk or Nasr. They have led a numerous men astray, gender neutral, numerous humans astray. You surely drive the wrongdoers to further error. And because of their sins, they were overwhelmed by the flood and cast into the fire. They found none besides Allah to help them. And Noah said, Lord, do not leave a single unbeliever on the earth. If you spare them, they will mislead your servants and beget none but sinners and unbelievers. Forgive me, Lord, and forgive my parents and every true believer who seeks refuge in my house. Forgive all the faithful men and women and hasten the destruction of the wrongdoers. So see, it's as far as they are believers that are going in, and so the old ones, Wad, the lover, or the man, Suwa, the woman, I'm not sure what other context, is Yaguth, the beast. Yeah, I think it's the land beast, and is Ya'uk the lion, and Nasr the eagle, or vulture or something, that sort of thing. So you had that sort of breakdown of the five, because a lot of people talked about in ancient times talked about five chief deities, and we also have the ties to Mars, Venus, and you got Jupiter and Saturn and Mercury. I'm not sure if this is the right order of how they attribute those. And sometimes it's not the worship of the animal or the plant or the planet or whatever. They are worshiping some entity over that. But then again, it doesn't matter. This is something that's, they're not actual gods, but they're saying to themselves, that otherwise is, they're saying what drives people who are in the wrong further into error.